Hi there, welcome to AppleCode Development, and this is Balaji. I am so excited to start the tutorial in Shift coding. This is lesson 1, Shift Basics. What is Shift? Shift is a new, modern and interactive programming language. It's very easy and friendly accessible while scripting. Let me tell you a small example for this. In a Maxim programming language, you may have seen the semicolon at the end of each line, but here it's not required. The enter will take care of it. Not only this, we'll discuss more in this video. In this tutorial, I am going to cover below listed topics. The first topic is supporting platform, which is what are the OS oriented apps we can develop using Shift, like here apps for OS 1, OS 2 and etc. The second topic is data types. Let's take an example of shopping mall. In this, consider a product as polo t-shirt. Now the name will be mentioned as text, quantity as a number, price as decimal and sales status as yes or no. Here we will go to see how this text, number, decimal and sales status is handled in Shift. The third topic is variable and constants. After assigning a value to the property, if you want to change the value, it should be a variable or else it could be a constant. In our example, except the name, other properties will get changed based on the product sale and demand. So the name is declared as constant and other as variable. The fourth topic is type annotation and type inference. Here we will go to see how the data types are handled and automated in Shift. The last topic is comment and print. The comment is nothing but it's a non-executable code which can be a single line or multi-line for the developer understanding purpose. The print is used while developing. We can log data in the console for developer logging purpose. We will see these all topics in very detailed manner, so don't skip the video until then. Okay, let's start. Supporting platform. Using Shift, we can develop applications for iOS, which is both iPhone and iPad, watchOS, macOS and tvOS too. In the future, if Apple releases any new product, I hope the development language will be the Shift. So if you learn one single language as Shift, you can be a master in all Apple products application development. The next topic is data types. As we mentioned in our example, in Shift, the polo t-shirt name is handled as string, quantity handled as integer, price handled as float or double, and the sales status handled as Bool. Let me show you this in Xcode Playground. If you are unaware of the playground, please watch the how to create, work and run Shift code in Xcode Playground video. It's an easy and short clip, so quickly watch it and resume this session. Link in the description. Now I have created a playground file called lesson 1 Shift Basics. In this, the t-shirt name declared to like name colon, the data type as string equal to polo t-shirt within the double quotes. The string content should be in the double quotes only. Here the colon means of type, so the name that's of type string. Next, quantity declared to like quantity colon, the data type as int equal to 10. It doesn't need the double quotes, only string needs it. Please note it. Regarding the integer, I have added a detailed video in Shift Notes playlist. So if you want to know different types of integers, please watch the different types of integers, signed, unsigned and their bitwise types video. Link in the description. Similarly, the price declared in float like this. Why not double? on what's the difference between float and double. I have posted a quick catch-up video for difference between float and double in Shift Notes playlist. Link in the description, please check it. You guys may think, why am I redirecting you to some other new videos to know playground, integer, float and double? As a beginner, you must need to know the things which I am covering in this video. But the redirectional links are the detailed explanation of those topics. So based on your interest, you can check it out. Okay, let's come back to the data types. The sale status is declared in Bool like this. This is how the data types are handled in Shift. It's showing some errors, right? Don't worry, we will fix it in the next topic. The next topic is variable and constant. As per our example, we can declare the name as constant because the value of property won't get changed. So the remaining properties, quantity, price and sales status can declare as variable. Let and where are the keywords for this. Let's see this in the playground. Give let for the name at the beginning and where for the other properties. Now the error got fixed, right? Cool. Let's assume we have sold 5 t-shirts and the demand got increased. So let's update the value of the properties. Quantity as 5 and price as 120.75. For the error case, let's change the constant value and see. Name equal to polo t-shirt red. You can see the error here. Cannot assign to value because the name is a let constant. And change let to where, make it mutable. Because now it's immutable. If you really want to change the value of the property, click the fix and change the name from let to where. Now you can change the values. Actually, Shift won't force you to create a particular property as a variable or constant. It's your decision based on your need. Today you may create a property as a constant in one project and tomorrow you may need the same property as a variable in another project. Again, it's about your usage and the project needs. For example, an admin login can edit all the things, but normal user login can't do all the actions. Now I hope you understood the data types, variables and constants. See, it's very easy. Our next topic is type annotation. Here we have mentioned the type of string for the name and assign the value as polo t-shirt. Sometimes we may know the data types at first and the value we will get it later from database or cloud sources or anywhere. It's called dynamic values. Like in the application form, name will be in the string but empty until user enters a value. So in this case, we need to declare the name type as string. This means we are annotating the name as a string. This is type annotation. Later we can assign the value as polo t-shirt. Now it will update it from nil to some value. We have declared the name as a variable. So we can change the value to polo t-shirt red. It will accept. Even though it's a variable, we can't change the type of the property. Like name is 10. It will show the error as cannot assign value of type int to type string. Because once a data type is annotated to a property, it won't change. That's why Shift is called a type safe language. Like string annotation, we can create all the data types properties like this, where quantity annotated as int, where price annotated as float, and where sales status annotated as bool. Here we can annotate constant properties also. It doesn't matter, the logic and syntax will be the same. This is about type annotation. The next topic is type inference. Instead of type annotated as a string, we can also declare it as an empty string, like var name equal to empty string. Here it will automatically handle its type as a string. So after that, if you try to change the value of the property like name as 10, it will show the same error because Shift will auto handle the data types based on the first value assignment. It's called type inference. I hope you understood the concept. Let me tell you one more example. Price equal to 100.50 and quantity equal to 10. Here the price will handled as a float and quantity handled as integer automatically based on the first value assigned in it. This is type inference. The next topic is comment. We have already covered this topic. Could you guess it? Yes, this is the command. It won't execute. We are using this for our reference purpose only. If one or more developer is working on the project and he wrote some set of code for a particular reason, to make it more understandable in future, we can use this command. And it's a good practice too. Please follow this. The single line command will start with double slash. The multiline command starts with slash star and ends with star slash. We can have a viewable command also in the Shift. For the single line viewable command, use triple slash like this. And you can see the command while accessing the property. For the multiline viewable command, use slash star star before and after like this. And you can see the command like this, same as while accessing the property. Both viewable commands will be displayed in the same manner. So based on your convenience, you can choose whichever you need. This is all about commands. The last topic is print. If you want to see any live value in the console, you can use print like this. You can print a string value. You can print a bool value. You can print an integer, float, double, or anything like this. And the output will be here. Let's click the run button. On the right hand side, you can see the instant output for each line. This feature won't be available in the Xcode project file. It's a learning kind of feature provided only in the playground. And our print logs are in the bottom console area. This will be there in the Xcode project also. This is all about the print. Okay, let's see the conclusion of the session. We have seen the Shift supporting platforms, all Apple products, data types, string, integer, float and bool, variable and constants, type annotation and type inference, comment, and print. These all are the basics to start working in Shift. So please know it before using it. I hope you guys understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you, bye bye, and see you in the next video.